In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily send your WhatsApp account link to someone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to open up WhatsApp and then you'll have to open up any of the chat to whom you want to send your link, WhatsApp account link, and then you'll have to type in WA. Basically, there is not a direct option on WhatsApp that you can use to send the link of your profile or your WhatsApp account. So we'll use a trick. You'll have to tap wa.me and then slash. Then you'll have to enter your number, phone number, WhatsApp number with your country code as well. I will enter my number, and then you'll simply have to send this to the user that you want to. And when the user will open the link, it will open your chat. It will open your account, WhatsApp account. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.